I wanted to take a minute to share one of my favorite tools for curation and show you how much of the content uh, that I post arrives um, at my blog. We can talk about where all of this content comes from at another time, but let's say you come across a good article that you would like to incorporate into your blog and that um, you want to be able to comment on. WordPress provides a tool called Press This, and to my mind, it hasn't worked properly for a long time. But you get it by going to Settings and Writing, and you drag this bookmarklet up into your bookmark bar and let it go, and then you'll have this bookmarklet here. So I could go to an article that I like, and I could highlight a paragraph that I want to comment on, and I could go to Press This, and all that Press This will do for me is grab the link of the article. This used to be quite useful, but they have made it kind of useless now. And instead, let me show you a different approach. I prefer a plugin called AddToAny, Share Anywhere. And you can install this in Chrome or in Edge, whatever it is that you're using. It looks like this. And when you do that, if I go to AddToAny, I can put in sharing tools for all of these different services into one extension. So it's quite useful. Think of it as being kind of like a Swiss Army knife of sharing, if you will. So WordPress obviously is one of the ones that I've picked. Watch what happens when I take this article. Again, I want this paragraph. So I'm going to say share it to WordPress, and it's going to ask me on which blog I want to share this or what site it's going to. So I click Press This, and notice that I get a totally different experience here. Here is the title of the article. So what I like to do is go and trim off the name of the website. Here's the paragraph that I had highlighted. It is auto-magically transferred into this post. And then sometimes I'll go and do this. Now, I could choose my format, my categories, my tags, if I wanted to, but it's more effective if I choose to go back to the standard editor. And now what you'll see is that I am inside of WordPress, if you will, on the back end, and I can convert this to blocks, and then I want to show all of my controls. So here's where I would go in and pick whatever whatever categories that I'm going to use. So so let's pick like psychology and philosophy. And then I'm going to continue to scroll down, and then I like to have a nice image along with the post, and there's no reason why I can't in WordPress. I just click Set the Featured Image and go to Pexels, Free Photos, and I can type an abstract word like confidence. So that looks like a nice picture of a confident person, so I'm going to select that. And now I've checked everything here, and I'm going to go ahead and click the Publish button. It's going to take me to one more screen. And here there's a great option to set up Facebook pages, Tumblr, Instagram accounts now, and Mastodon. Twitter is no longer an option. If you want to share this post, you can click Connect an Account, and it takes you to the Marketing and Integrations page on your website where you can configure all this. You can also attach your Google Photos, your Google Drive, a MailChimp newsletter, and your Instagram account. So this is very powerful for people who are trying to drive people to their website and are using social media tools to do it. At this point, all I have to do is to click Publish. And I can go and take a look at the post. Now, mind you, when you're doing curation, you should not just quote. You should take the time to add transformative value under free use or fair use guidelines. But I'm just doing this for example. Okay? And then now, there is our new post. Okay? So it's really easy to go from this to making it look like this in your website if you're using the right tool, which in my mind is the AddToAny Share Anywhere extension. If you have any questions, please comment. I love to talk about this stuff.